Hello, I'm Subramani from Civil Contractors in Bangalore. This video is like to share my experience. My company is established in 2005. The various constructions right now we are into residential and apartments, commercial properties, and co-working office commercials. We have our own properties, all that. Yeah, keeping all that, doing for own constructions, owners in Bangalore. They do their own. They give it to laborers. They'll make him to do the works and all that people who does. For them, this information I like to give the free consultancy to the owners. What all you have to take care and how we want it to take care, all that. It is really will not be properly will be advisable in the straight away. Just doing like that, whatever they say, you people paying the money and doing it, they will come and say that okay, this is a rent is I'm sorry, this is a labor has happened. Okay, we wanted so many bags cement. Okay, we want materials, unwanted materials or whatever. So they knows that where they should make you the fool. See, your professional way is something different. You're into the different. Okay, and they're into the different. How you know that this materials will be useful for this? Number one, you need to think it over. So, okay, if the material something they wanted, so how you know to go and buy and bring it, whether that quality is that materials will suitable or quality, the name of the materials, all that. If you really are free 24 hours, you can take care of your constructions completely without going for companies and your business or anything. Yes, that is advisable. Just giving and going and coming back and seeing the property, what is the construction completed after 2 days or 3 days in the phone, sending a video, all that will not be, my concern is not be worked out. We do many constructions without my engineers, my architect or myself visits to the sites and all. Even we are a little bit looser. And what about the direct owners? What is he chasing the problem? That is the reason I thought I want to make you good video and give it to you people for the consultancy. Whoever does, and we also bought it some package for consent for own constructions people. But I will not come under the. You can hire anyone. You can hire anyone. You can take it as my free consultancy speech, what I'm giving to the owners. If you're like to give us or like to give it to anybody, you can give it as a consultancy fee, whereas he can take care, complete your project. In what manner? You only, the role is you people only doing it. But still, in the example, architecture's work plan, structural, electrical drawing, plumbing drawing, design, elevation of the property, all that. One time you're spending many lakh you're spending. When you're people spending a many lakh, why can't you spend little money to bring your good quality your house? So this is all back end given. When we are a builder, we will get the prices, whatever the prices, negotiating, all that. Whenever goes the owner, one time purchaser owner, you will not get it in our price. Your price will be different, our price will be different. When it comes to this kind of thing, you can make it as a one budget Either separately, if you give it as a consultancy fee, anyone, or with us, my team, I will supply one engineer to the site. You can give all the materials, even the materials. We will negotiate and we'll give it to you. Sand, brick, any material, tile work. You go to the any shop, you go to the any dealer. You come back and say, Mr. Subramani, this is what are the prices. So I will get you in a very lesser price. Why? Because in our bill, if they're giving it, very prices will be very much is a negotiable, because we are taking a very huge full Bangalore. We do a construction, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, everywhere. Keeping all in mind, please make sure you people have very good dream house. This is what my 100% maturity, all that. Sometimes what will happen is, you just tell you come for 1 hour or 2 hour or 3 hours or whatever. Once you go back, when the curing, what has happened is, water curing is how has happened, construction, and labor, how many laborers are working? Okay, 6 laborers are working. 6 labor now today, 950 rupees to 1000 rupees per day per mestri. When you're spending so much money, you should know that, and laborers, helper is 500 rupees today. You should know that your money, what you are shelling out, you have taken the productions or not in that day. That is a very important. How you know constructions? How you know that you can finish off so much wall today? How much is supposed to complete? How much column you should complete? Centering work, barbendering work, electrician work, plumbing work, how you will get. Moreover, nowadays what is happening is, the owner, if asking any prices, negotiate or anything, they will say, they are not educated. They will say, example, you are asking something to the people, no, you keep it, you make it up, this is a price. You can make it. Okay, they started. They will say that, okay, sir, I will complete it. No problem. We'll fix it for that price only. They know where to make you to lock. In the center, in a 80% of the completion, they will say, sir, this is not enough. Then what you will do? They don't have office. They're not educated. You can't do anything keeping a mobile number. How do you fight with that? How do you speak to these people, this kind of a people? This is what will happen. Now you will not come to know any pain. You will come to know only after 75% of the building completions. Only you will come to know. Got it? In the center, if anybody, any laborers are troubling you, stopping the work, whenever you call, if they're not coming, this is not a professional job going to be, and you will be lose your happiness. So keeping all that, you can fix with us one kind of a consultancy fee, and you can start your dream house and a good and happy. You will get every day. If we signed up with you people, your people only we will control. You directly are paying to your people. We will say which is the right and which is the wrong, when to pay, when not to pay, how much work completions you need to pay, what is the money you should hold it, each and everything. We will guide you how to go for a successful project. Thank you, owners. We'll catch up you next video. Thank you.